since putting my video out last night, yesterday, this has arrived today, so I shall unbox it, show you the kit. Get it all out. Yeah, so there's the box. I have to say that was very quick, especially coming from the States as well. So looks like the instruction manual on how to fit it. I have checked out his videos on YouTube a few times, just so I can get an idea how it all goes, but I think I've pretty much got it. So that's the instructions anyhow. So what have we got? We have the cables. So that. Oh. Well, I know one's the deck and one's the RA, but I don't know which is which. I suppose that'll come out in the instructions. I think this is the one with the limit switches, but which we'll see. Here's one of the 3D printed motor covers. They're a bit bigger than the originals because it's got a belt. It's got a motor with a belt on it, so it needed a bit more room. But oh, it says deck on it, so I know which is which. That's cool then. RA. Okay. And we have. Oh, I see what these are. Yeah, these are the bottom housings. So these go on the bottom, and your plugs are there. Good. Oh, good. That's another one. Oh. Comes with all the nuts and bolts and everything needed. That's cool. Okay. The handset. Nice. So it comes with a handset, but you can connect to the mount via Bluetooth or wireless as well. So you don't have to have a handset, and you've got a mini USB cable that connects to your PC, so if you wanted to use ASCOM, so you can do it that way. So there's plenty of ways to connect. We have, oh, this is the computer that bolts on the side. So this sits on the side of the pier like that. Oh, if you can see that, it sits on the side of the pier. There's the mini USB, that's the handset. Not sure what that is. Part of the board, okay. Fair enough. Okay. Belts, pulleys, brackets, that's all there. And these must be the motors. And that must be it. But it's all survived, it's all good. So yeah, that's a stepper motor. Oh, different to the ones in the video, but I'm sure I'm sure they still do the same job. And that's the other motor. I mean, I won't bother opening that one because you already know what it is. And that's it. So, all good. I look forward to fitting it, but I think that'll probably be a job for next week.